Here's how I won the Mid-Ohio Super Tour when the odds were stacked against me. Things started off pretty good when on lap 2, both of the leaders made a mistake and I managed to take the lead. From this point on, I was pretty consistent and I managed to pull a 5-second gap along with the new track record. So we've run into a problem. These T3 cars in front of me are making a lot of mistakes. Because they are so slow in the corners, they're costing me a lot of time, and they're very quick on straightaways, which means it's going to be very difficult to pass them. They've cost me enough time to where my opponent has caught up to me. Multi-class racing can be difficult and frustrating, especially in a scenario like this. Not all hope is lost because I can turn this situation into my favor by somehow managing to put these T3 cars in between me and my opponent. If I can stay on their bumper and wait for them to make a mistake, I can make it happen. The blue MX-5 in front of me goes a little wide, and now's my chance. This just leaves the yellow BMW. If I can make this overtake happen, this race is mine. I send it around the outside, but the BMW runs me out to the marbles, and I get the worst run onto the straightaway. This failed overtake cost me track position with the T3 car, and I lost out to my opponent. So on top of all of this, my opponent has more motor than me, so I can't even draft by him into turn 4. I won't even lie to y'all, I kind of thought I was cooked here. I'm going to need a miracle to win this race. With 2 laps to go, an opportunity presents itself. This RX-8 in front of me runs wide, and I know that he's going to push everyone over to the right in the S's, which is going to leave me a gap. So I turn my wheel left early, and I pray to God I'm right. We got back P1. Now I just need to hold him off and bring it home. Other than almost dying in this corner, we managed to bring it back, and we took home the win at Mid-Ohio.